Ever had your bathroom flood right before work? Or worse, when guests are over? The panic, the mess, the stress, we've all been there. When a pipe bursts or your toilet won't stop overflowing, every second feels like an emergency. That's when Emergency Master Plumbing and Air steps in. Arizona's trusted bathroom plumbing repair specialists. From leaks to clogs to total overflows, our expert team delivers fast, same-day service that brings peace back to your home. Because we don't just fix your pipes, we restore your comfort, your routine, and your peace of mind. Don't wait until it's too late. Contact us now at 623-584-4706 or visit our website. The Team Arizona trusts when emergencies strike.